Good morning. Today I'm going to cover passion fruit, also known as Passiflora edulis. It also has another name, but the Passiflora edulis is the purple variety. So it is a vining species of passion flower native to parts of Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. It is cultivated in tropical and subtropical areas for its sweet, seedy fruit known as passion fruit. The fruit is a type of berry that's round or oval, yellow or dark purple when mature, with a juicy inside filled with multiple seeds. It's eaten and juiced. It is very aromatic. It goes great in a cold tea or to flavor water with honey and passion fruit. It is perennial in nature. It must be protected from frost, as it is grown in the U.S. normally in Florida, Hawaii, and California. It is perennial in nature, but in frost areas it would have to be protected in order to come back the following year. The tendrils come from leaf axils and armpits. So as you can see right here, the grabbers, the tendrils are coming from the axil, which is the armpit of where the leaf comes out. Basically the node. And they have a red or purple color when young. In this case, this is a pretty mature plant. The main varieties come in purple or yellow fruits. The vine makes one flower at each node, and so here we have two nodes, and as you can see, there's one flower in each node. So it doesn't make multiple flowers in each node, it makes one at each node, which actually means it can provide a lot of food. So the purple fruit variety are smaller than the yellow fruit variety. The purple fruit are about the size of an egg, and here I spotted one. See that fruit right there? It's green, and it starts off green, and then it turns, when it matures, it turns kind of wrinkly, and it turns purple first, then it turns a little wrinkly, and that's when you can eat it. And the yellow variety is larger. It's the size of a grapefruit. There is a thick rind on the outside with a fleshy center with multiple black seeds in it. Each seed has a gel surrounding it that is full of tangy juice. It may be added to salads, juices, as a dessert topper. It may be used instead of lemon or lime juice. It is used as a preserve or a syrup. It can be eaten raw with sugar mixed in it. It has been used in ice pops and used in ceviche and cocktails and liqueurs and mousses. It is used to flavor sodas and yogurt and as a cordial. So worldwide there have been found to be multiple uses, and it is the main plant of Paraguay, their favorite fruit. So raw passion fruit is mostly water, 77%, 22% carbs, and 2% protein, with less than 1% of fat. So it contains quite a few nutrients, including quite a bit of vitamin C, dietary fiber, B vitamins, and riboflavin. It also contains niacin, iron, and phosphorus, which is, for one little fruit, it contains quite a lot of nutrition. So diseases include a bacteria that attacks the phloem, and viruses such as woodiness virus, which causes the leaves to yellow and misshapen, as well as the fruit itself. It will be misshapen and the size will be affected. And another viral disease is a cucumber mosaic virus. It's a yellow mottled leaf. It yellows the leaves and mottles it, and it causes it to curl and have a shoestring appearance. And because it curls, it's not able to do its normal function of collecting sunlight. And another thing it's susceptible, other than to viruses and bacteria, are to fungus, which normally attacks the base, the stem, and the branches near the stem, near the roots of the plant. So it does have quite a number of issues. However, look at this plant. It is so gorgeous, so lush, so green, and it is because it is healthy. And so long as you buy your plant from a reputable source and it looks healthy when you first get it, and so long as you use clean tools when you are trimming it down, it should look fantastic. And also, I would suggest controlling the aphids and sap sucking pests. So the soft-bodied pests like aphids, mealyworms, all those things in your yard, you should be okay. And also, as long as you have polyculture. So in this case, I only have one plant here, one passion fruit, and the rest are different fruits. And even amongst the stone fruits and the apple and pears, I try not to have too many. I try to diversify the plants that I have in my yard, and I have all kinds of things. As you have heard me say, I have an apple, 4-in-1 apple tree over there, Bartlett pear, apricot, shinseki pear, 2 cherry moyas, some kale, a lot of herbs and flowering plants down there at the bottom, and a lot of citrus varieties, oranges, lemons, and limes, some sunchokes back there, lots of lemongrass and basil strewn about, and some Swiss chard, collard greens, some berry canes. I have goji canes, which are a mess right now. I tied them up earlier, but probably too loosely. It looks like it also got a lot taller, so I have to trellis it up again. And lots of green onions as well. That one is really thriving. And also the Thai basil, which is really heat tolerant and really fragrant. And my blackberry here, bay leaves, bay tree, sweet bay. I tried to grow a melon down there and it's diminished, so I might have to put a new seedling in there, which I have in a pot, and put better soil. So it's all about trial and error. So the main point is to have quite a variety of plants growing.